Good afternoon. I'm Eric and I'm here with your good friend and mine, Hezekiah. And we're here to welcome you to today's episode of Hezekiah on a Stool. Good afternoon, everybody. We're so glad you could join us today. We have a great episode for you. Chef Emma will be on later. She's going to show us how to make haggis that you won't be able to stop eating. Delicious. But Hezekiah received a new letter from a pen pal this week, and I want to read it to you. Dear Hezekiah, I'd like to be your pen pal too. My name is Chitter Chatter the Chipmunk. You look like a nice person. Do you like chipmunks? I'm glad you wear your mask when you should. Thank you, Chitter Chatter. That's right, Hezekiah always remembers to wear... Never mind. Now you probably don't even have a clue what a chipmunk is. I certainly didn't know anything about chipmunks. Here's a picture of one now. Since you likely had no idea what a chipmunk was before today, I have a few chipmunk facts for you. Chipmunks are members of the squirrel family. They're little striped squirrels that run around on the ground and eat all sorts of different foods. They also dig in the ground and make their home there. Chipmunks very much enjoy singing in their high little chipmunk voices. Also, most chipmunks are loners. They're not social animals. They don't like to be with other chipmunks very often. So Chitter Chatter is unusual because Chitter Chatter wants to be a pen pal with Hezekiah. Now Chitter Chatter asked if Hezekiah likes chipmunks. And because Hezekiah had never met a chipmunk before, he wasn't quite sure how to answer. So Hezekiah and I were thinking about that this week, and we decided to turn to the wisdom of Jesus. Here's a picture of Jesus with a chipmunk. Now Jesus says there are two very important things we ought to do. One, we ought to love God. And two, we should love our neighbors as ourselves. We should love our neighbors just the same way we love our own selves. So, Chitter Chatter is a neighbor to Hezekiah. And so Hezekiah has decided that yes, he does love chipmunks, even though he's never met one before. And so Hezekiah will be very happy to be a pen pal with Chitter Chatter. So we're so glad for that. And aren't you glad too, Hezekiah? All right then. Well, this means that you can love people that you have never met. You can love people from around the world, even if you might not have ever met anyone like them ever in your life. That's what Jesus says. They are our neighbors and we can love them as ourselves. That's pretty good news. Well, I'm so glad that you could join us today. Unfortunately, we're running a little late, so Chef Emma will have to come back another time. And before we go, we'd like to say thank you to our sponsors.
Hezekiah on a Stool is brought to you by Pie. Oh, yeah. And by the National Spleen Awareness Council. Have you said thank you to your spleen today?
It has been great to be together again today, and whether you're a chipmunk or a mimic octopus or a human being, we hope you'll join us again for our next show. And now, on behalf of the crew and Hezekiah, I'm Eric, wishing you a great week. We'll see you again.